How to use car insurance discounts and offers properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Car insurance discounts can save you hundreds, but most beginners make mistakes that reduce their savings. The surprising truth is that many people qualify for discounts and don't even know it. The first mistake is assuming discounts are automatic. Many require action, such as applying online, bundling policies, or enrolling in safe driver programs. Don't miss out by assuming they'll be applied automatically. Another common error is ignoring eligibility requirements. Some discounts are limited to students, military members, or good credit holders. Verify that you meet the criteria before relying on them. Many users focus on one discount at a time. Combining multiple discounts often maximizes savings, but beginners often fail to ask insurers which discounts stack. A surprising mistake is forgetting to update your insurer. Life changes like moving, completing a defensive driving course, or installing safety devices can create new discount opportunities. Finally, beginners often overlook the fine print. Discounts may have conditions, like maintaining a certain mileage or coverage type. Understanding these ensures you don't lose benefits unexpectedly. To properly use car insurance discounts and offers, apply actively, confirm eligibility, combine multiple discounts, update your insurer regularly, and read the fine print. Avoiding these mistakes ensures you get the maximum savings and the best coverage possible.